Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today we're checking out the Vicseed wireless car mount charger. It's a third generation auto clamping QI fast charging CD slot air vent charger mount. This is fully automatic, strong stability. This runs on Amazon about $50. And it's one of the Amazon choice ones. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check this thing out. So here we go. All right, on top we have a USB to micro USB cord. And we have the little vent clip. So these are pretty standard for phones that go onto the vent. Clips just onto one of the vents. I don't like those as well as I like the suction cup ones. They don't seem to be as stable, especially my vents are pretty loose. So they do work, but not as stable as others. All right, here we have, pull this one out of the bag here. This is the actual holding device here. And I'm probably going to have to plug this into a USB to get it to work. See, tear off tips. So there it is. I'm not sure how wide this gets, and I'll do that when I do the, demonstrate that when I do the review and whatnot. This is just showing you what's in the box. I guess that's why it's an unboxing. Alright, so that's that. And then, this doesn't want to come out of here. What is going on here? Okay. So in this one we have the suction cup, and these are the one. These things are awesome. They're the sticky ones that don't leave a residue, but they can stick on a dash that has like ridges in it and stuff like that. So I love these suction cups. They're amazing. So that basically is able to bend any way you want. It has the little clap suction cup lever down there, so it really just sucks onto your dash or wherever you want it to. So there's that. That's adjustable. Also right here, unscrew that, and this comes in or out too. So got quite a bit of adjustability here. So there's like 180 degrees or more right there. More like 270. So that's pretty cool. What else we got here? Okay. Looks like we got car mount wireless instructions. Let's see, use dashboard pad. So here we have like a dashboard pad. It's got some 3M tape, so just in case this thing can't stick on your dashboard, which I can imagine what it is that it wouldn't be able to stick onto it, then you can stick this on there with like some 3M tape and then stick that onto there. And then a smart start guide, quick start guide. So anyways, that's about it for this one. I'm going to be testing this out. I have a LG 7 wireless phone. Unfortunately, my Google Pixel XL does not feature wireless charging, but the other phone does. So we'll be trying that out. Seems like a nice little device. We'll see how big it gets and stuff like that. It's got some nice silicone like grips here on the side and on the bottom. It seemed like it would hold a phone pretty good there. Even if you got like a bulky case, it's got quite a bit of room here, as you can see on the top here. So that's about it, my friends. Thanks for watching this unboxing. When I do finish the review, I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check that out. And yeah. Okay, everybody. We'll see you next time. Everyone have a good day out there. Take care.